In this part, we're going to see types of intelligence tests and its applications. Types of intelligence tests. The intelligence tests are classified into two groups based on the method of administration, and one category is based on the material used. Based on the method of administration, it can be classified as individual tests of intelligence and group tests of intelligence, and based on the material used, the tests can be classified as verbal tests of intelligence and non-verbal tests of intelligence. Let's see them in detail. Based on the method of administration. Advantages and disadvantages of individual tests of intelligence. Advantages. It can be administered to a single individual at a time. The administrator can establish rapport with the client. The administrator can get additional information about the client's feelings, moods, etc. Binet scale of intelligence, Wechsler scale of intelligence, Dr. Bhatia's scale of performance, test of intelligence, Arthur's point scale, course block design, etc. These are some of the individual tests. Disadvantages. Individual tests are time consuming and costly to administer. These tests require trained and skillful examiner to administer, score, and interpret them. Advantages and disadvantages of group tests of intelligence. Advantages. It can be administered to more than one person at a time. Group tests are less time consuming and economical. In administering group tests, the role of the test administrator is minimal. No specialized training is required for the administrator. Some of the tests are Army Alpha Test, Army General Classification Test, Raven's Progressive Matrices, etc. Disadvantages. The test administrator has less or minimal opportunity to establish rapport, obtain cooperation, and maintain interest in the client. Less capable of measuring creative aspect of intelligence. Based on the material used. Verbal tests of intelligence. Intelligence tests that use language, words and numbers for measuring intelligence are called verbal tests of intelligence. Advantages. Verbal tests are used to measure higher mental abilities, useful to differentiate people having average intelligence and people having above average intelligence. Army Alpha Test, Wechsler's Adult Intelligence Scale. Disadvantages. These tests cannot be given to people having other linguistic backgrounds, illiterate people, and small children. These tests are culture-bound tests and cannot be used in other cultures. Non-verbal tests of intelligence. Intelligence tests that use pictures, designs, material objects, etc. to measure intelligence are called as non-verbal tests of intelligence. In these tests, language are not used to measure intelligence. In these tests, subjects are not required to respond verbally to the test items. Two types of tests, that are performance tests and paper pencil test. Performance tests are Coe's block design test, Alexander's pass along test, Merrill's Palmer block building test, Dr. Bhatia's non-verbal test of intelligence. Paper pencil tests, Raven's standard progressive matrices, Raven's colored progressive matrices. Advantages and disadvantages of group tests. Advantages. It can be given to people with different linguistic background, illiterate people and small children. Especially useful in measuring intelligence of differently abled people. These tests are culture free, therefore can be used in other cultures. Disadvantages. Less suitable to measure higher and subtle mental abilities. Less suitable to differentiate between people having average intelligence and people above average intelligence. The application of intelligence tests are as follows. Intelligence tests can be effectively used in schooling, mental health aiding, in effective parenting, in the areas of career counseling, and also in the areas of vocational counseling. Thank you.